Here is a pic that I found. It is a 101-year-old kerosene heater. And it still works today, obviously. It was made in 1913. There's actually a plaque on it. I'm gonna step down here so you can see it. Turn the light on actually. Here she is. I'd like to see a kerosene heater made in these days last 101 years. Let's see if we can get the date in there. Where are you at? Oh man, you're not gonna see it. It's right there. It says June. Is it June? I can barely see it. June 17th, 1913. Wish I had a light on this or something. The date's right there. I hope you can see it on this video. I can't see it on my camera, but there's a big glare from the... Let me turn this down actually, because I really want you guys to see this date. And it says that it's number 525. So I mean, that's cool. I'm gonna turn it down. Right here's how you turn it down too. Slow knob. Of course, I mean it's the same concept, just built better. And when you turn it off, it doesn't smoke like the newer ones would. And the cool thing about this one is you light one side. No, made it worse. Click this button right here. This is how you open it. I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, now it's completely off. This little thing right here, bet you can cook on that, see? This right now is very hot. Touch with my fingernail. Out. Here. This isn't hot at all down here. This just tilts back. Just like that. You can actually take this out right here, and I just took this right to the gas pump and filled it. I don't care. That tells you how much fuel you have. Means I'm full. Just filled it up. When I found it at the flea market, they actually had a wick with it. I mean, it's insane. An extra wick. This just happened. I was moving, lost a bolt, so I'm gonna have to replace it. So it's not all of it's not gonna be 101 years old, but everything else is. Let's see if we can get this date now. Of course, it's made in the USA. We know that all day, every day. See, made in the let's see. Right there's the date, but you can't see it on the phone. Whoop, there it is. Alright, this video is done. Sorry for the long video, but I think that something this old and in working order deserves what it just got. Turn that bad boy back on, actually. But here's one more last look at it. 101-year-old heater. Wow.